Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality a business listing backlink on this website. So the website name is merchantcircle.com. So this is a very authoritative website. So where you guys will, if you guys will list your businesses on this website, so you will create a very high quality listing profile for your business, for your brand. Okay, so this is a website, a dashboard. So before the started, we can do some research, and before I can do some also talk about the how you can uh, access this website a sign up form. So you can use the VPN. So I'm using right now a GenMed VPN. So this is a totally free. You can download this extension and you can use. Then you are able to see the profile creation option on this website like a sign up. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 85, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 78, and the spam score is only 2%. So, and according to similar web, this website having 375.8k monthly visits, and the mostly traffic from USA, India, Pakistan, Philippines, Ukraine, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So now we have completed our research process. So you can see, you can click on the sign up button. Before you can download the extension, VPN extension, and there you can fill your personal details like your name. So this video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. There you can put your email address, I guess. I have already created account on this. Then you can click on the confirm password. So there you can confirm your password. Then you can choose your zip code. There you can add your brand name. So my brand name is Jobma. And then you can add your brand a number. So which number you guys are using for this business. And then you can select the first option. I'm claiming on behalf of. Then you can confirm it. Then you can acknowledge or the verify the captcha. Click on the create my account button. So I have already created my account here, so I can only log in on this website. And then once you guys will create the profile, then you will see the same dashboard like this. So this is my listing, and you can navigate to the my listing, and this is your brand name, and this is your address. So there you can add your addresses. Then you can add your city. So our city is Mintonica. So let me update it, because there we have already created a account, but we haven't optimized. So that's why we need to optimize. And there you can add your website URL. And this is a description. So let me update my description. In the last, you can insert your website URL. So a widget. There you can add a hyperlink syntax. So ahref, then this one. Then you can close this. There you can add your brand name, and then you can click on this. So there you can choose your category. So category is our education, entertainment, retail, professional services, and then you can select your subcategory, employment. Yeah. And then you can select your business category. So all employment services, advertisement, and the marketing employees. And then from there you can optimize your listing URL as well. And then you can click on the updates button and the listing your update. And then you can here you can click on the save changes. Your changes are saved now. Now you can update your business logo. So from there you can add your YouTube videos as well. So if you're wanting to add your YouTube videos, so you can simply add a YouTube video URL, and then you can upload some YouTube videos in your listing. And if you're wanting to upload any image and the logo, so you can click on the browse button and then click on the upload. So this image is upload now, and then you can hover this your image for the, you can see set as a logo. Click on this. So this image is set as a logo. And what we can do next, so you can see there is a social network option. You can click on this. So there you can add your all social channels. So once you guys will complete these things, click on the save changes button, and we have completed all the things. And if you're wanting to upload blog, so you can see there is a option. So you can click on the blogs option, and there you can add your title, your content, and you can add your tags, then make it publish. So on this website, you can also publish your blogs as well. So we have completed all the things. So what we can do, so we can click on the my listing button, and you will see there is a button. You can click on this view my listing, and this is your listing landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is our brand name, brand logo, and our category. This is the number, this is the website, but this is a no follow URL. But we have inserted the our website URL here as well. And if I can click on this, so this is a no follow or do follow. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow business listing backlink on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion from me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.